Okay, let's talk about one of the cooler features with this particular unit is its ease to put it into the motorhome. And I bought this and I bought an extra mount, so I'm able to put it into the motorhome with just the extra stand that I've built. First thing you have to do is make sure power's off, pressure's off. Pull the trigger, make sure you don't have any more pressure in it. Unplug it. In my case, I just had it plugged to an extension cord. And then take your water connection, loosen it, unhook it, and you're pretty much done. There's handles on both sides. You pick it up, it slides right off. I've got my power cord hooked up, there we go. But here it is, just on a single bracket, like you see right here. Now I'll take this and I will carry it over to the motorhome, and I have where I used to have my Dometic cooler in here. I've taken that out, which has made this real handy. And then I unhook the two latches and pull out my tray all the way. And there's the new bracket for the pressure washer, and you literally drop it on. We're going to go from here over to the motorhome, which we go to the first bay door, open it up. This is where the Dometic refrigerator cooler box used to sit. I've taken that out. We don't use it. Even when we travel, we got more than enough room for what we use it for. Then I open this up. The tray became pretty doggone handy for me. And to build this, I just have this sitting here to set the pressure washer on. I put it all the way out, and now I'll go get the pressure washer. Okay, you can see I've gotten the pressure washer over here. I've set it down on the ground, just set it on a piece of carpet so it's not picking up stones, because we park on a stone area in front of our cement area. But you can see how easy it is to then mount it. This goes up, fits into those two grooves, slide it on, you're in. Then I have a power spot right up in here to plug it in, and I have a hose that I've run from the other side of the coach over here that's permanently mounted inside the coach. And then all I do is screw this in, turn on the water, turn on the power, and I can do the entire coach with this. It's a phenomenal setup. It works amazing for me. And when you're done, goes right there. Good to go. Once again, if you want to take it back out when you're all done with it, just slide it all the way out, unhook your water. I would recommend you make sure your water is drained out. Unplug your power, set it back here, lifts right off, and then I put it back in my garage. Turns out to be a fantastic way to do this. I've changed a couple of things on it. I've taken this handle off and put on a shorter use handle with a different grip on it, and it's just easier. It's not as long as the other handle is from a tube standpoint. The attachment handle is here with the sprayer attachments that I have also gotten rid of, and I've gone to just utilizing this, and this just clips into my pressure washer end here, and it gives you 40 degree, 25 degree, 15 degree, and 0 degree just by rotating it. And then you can change this from using just the foamer Or if you want to use just a sprayer, then you just hit this little button and it switches from the bottom to the top, so you don't have to remove things as you go. You just go from one to the other.